I'm in a hurry. I've got a very important phone call to make.
Hi. Hello. I don't know if you guys can see. Pinky has her own bandana.
Goose and Gander made Pink's a little bandana for our shoot out of a t-shirt offcut. As you guys are watching this, the collection is now live. There will be a link down below in case you guys want to get anything, but we're launching a new collection with Goose and Gander.
Part 2.
Or we have launched a new collection with Goose and Gander because it's live.
So, as you guys know, it's literally like no secret that Goose and Gander is one of our most favourite brands. And it is an absolute privilege to be doing a second collection with them. And as you guys know, last year, we did our first collaboration, which went really, really well.
Yeah.
And so we wanted to make sure that this one was bigger and better.
I was saying to James just before this video, I put on the jumper and I was like, I can't believe that this is our collection. Like, if I went onto the Goose and Gander website and I saw this collection, I would be like, that collection is sick. And it's our collection. And we're gonna do a little rundown of the collection in general, show you guys all the pieces obviously, and show you some of the pictures from the shoot, little clips of how they fit and stuff like that, and also a little bit behind the whole design process. So let's just get into it. But if you guys want to shop anything throughout this video, the links will be down below.
So if you don't know who Goose and Gander are a UK-based brand that are located near Bristol. They make stuff to order.
So once you put your order in, everything is decorated in-house with their team. They've got an amazing team of people. So for that reason, I'm sure you guys can understand it's not a fast fashion brand. So there's a little bit longer lead time on the orders, but it just helps them to reduce waste so that they don't, you know, mass produce loads of excess stuff that doesn't sell. They will literally make it as the orders are coming in.
Also, Goose and Gander are a unisex brand. This is why we love it so much, because we can literally just choose absolutely anything from the website. It's affordable, it's cozy. Literally what I'm wearing right now, I feel so like relaxed. I've got joggers on, I've got an oversized
joggers
tee.
this time.
Literally sweatshirts, they are all so cozy, so it's literally perfect for what's actually coming up for the autumn and also the winter.
So we've got t-shirts, we've got sweatshirts, we've got hoodies, we've got fleeces, we've got joggers, we've got beanies, and we've got a backpack. I think that's everything. Is that everything?
That is everything.
So just a little note on the sizing quickly. We obviously wanted to try and be as inclusive as we possibly could, but with us not being the brand owners, we don't have full control over all of the sizes of each individual item. However, that being said, there are pieces that go from a small to a 5XL, so there should be something for everybody, and I will leave a little bit more about the sizing down below. But in terms of the sizes that we're wearing, just in case anybody's trying to go off of us, in all of the shoot pictures, I'm wearing a medium in the sweatshirts, the hoodies, and the t-shirts, just because I like stuff to be a bit more oversized, but I also can happily fit the small as well, and in the fleece I wear a small.
So for me, I'm literally wearing everything in extra large. It's in the shoot pictures in what I'm wearing right now, apart from the joggers, which I think are a large or a medium.
I think your joggers are a large, and for the joggers for me, I wear a small, but I also fit the medium. I'm wearing the medium right now. They're just a little bit more roomy. And just for height reference, I'm 5'2".
And I'm 6 foot.
Just a little bit behind the design ideas and the process. There will be more about this in the behind the scenes vlog, and I won't bore you for too long with all of those details. Yeah, when did it begin? Back in February?
Yeah, so yeah, back in February, we just wanted to sort of like bring both of our sort of aesthetics of what we've been wearing all into one. So Soph was wearing quite a lot of sort of vintage jumpers with mountains, like sort of animal prints or everything like that. Then I was sort of wearing stuff that was like a bit more varsity, a bit vintage. We wanted to have something that sort of brought those two aspects together through this whole process. Yaz, who is the graphic designer at G&G, did one hell of a job.
She's been absolutely incredible.
Absolutely amazing. and just worked so hard to get what we have envisioned all together.
Yeah.
And this is what we have now, and we are so happy.
Yeah, everything just turned out so amazing. As you can see, we've got a mountain, we've got the lake, we've got the geese, we've got some clouds, we've got the sun. It is slightly different depending on whether it's a printed design or the embroidery, and then we've got the varsity text that goes across it. And so we wanted to try and combine both of our styles, but the whole idea of the design of it came from our love for traveling, and we love going on walks and nice views, and just the whole like mountain and lake theme is something that we love in terms of like traveling.
So hence why we did the photo shoot up in the Lake District.
As soon as we had the design finalised, we were thinking that it would be so sick to shoot it in the Lake District.
Yeah.
That's also what Maz, the co-owner of G&G, suggested. And as soon as she said, what would you think about going to the Lake District for the shoot?
We were like, yeah.
Yeah,
100%.
So yeah, the way that the design process worked is that we just gave tons of pictures of both of our styles and like screenshots of things that we like to wear, some pieces of clothing that we already had. I did a little mock-up kind of design thing, which wasn't the best.
Yaz came back with a couple of designs. The first sort of like mock-up designs we weren't really too sure about. We actually had a meeting with Maz and with Yaz as well.
Maz and Yaz.
Maz and Yaz. I went over sort of the things that we'd actually really like in it, and then
and
within...
the things like we'd like to change.
Yaz came back with probably like 4 or 5 new designs, and this one was actually in it.
In those different designs that Yaz did, they were all sort of slightly different variations of each other, with different fonts, different text, different like slightly different images with like the mountains and the lakes and stuff. In the first initial design idea that she sent over, we just felt like it looked a little bit more old-fashioned, so we wanted to change like certain elements. We gave her our feedback, and then she went off and like tweaked the design, and then we sort of kept narrowing it down until we got to this one. She kind of took the vision I think that we both had, and put it on the page.
Yeah. So prices literally go from £17.50 all the way up to £45. Shall we get into it?
Let's just show them.
Yeah, let's just show them.
Let's show them. By the way, if there's dog hair on anything,
yeah, sorry.
That's just our...
Pinky shreds.
Shreds
herself. Sheds herself. Well, yeah, first we'll show you the beanies. Yeah,
Yeah,
we got beanies, guys.
Beanies. Give a close-up. You don't put them on your hands. This is what the beanies look like. Wait. Hold it over your face, so hopefully it focuses on them and not us.
We have 3 colours here, but there's literally loads on the website. Forest green, we've got sand, we have got white, black, olive, and also grey.
I will put pictures of the stuff on the screen. We don't have every single colour of every single item. I love these beanies so much. I'm going to put one on.
And they're so comfortable as well. They're literally so light.
And in the winter, I'm not without a beanie if we're going on a dog walk. Because 1, stops my ears getting cold. And 2, it means that I don't have to style my hair. Same with you.
Easy stuff, yeah. We also have backpacks as well. These come in black and charcoal. I've literally been wearing it all the time when I was out in Greece, when we did walks and everything. It is also embroidered onto it, which looks so good on the black.
You could definitely fit a laptop in there. Also, it's got a front pocket. Sorry, I'm just like...
It's alright.
So it's just got 2 pockets. Shall we move on to the clothing?
Yeah, let's move on.
Actually, let's start with the joggers. We're wearing them both. We have joggers. I'm wearing the size medium right now. James is wearing the large, I believe. But they're so comfy. These are what the joggers look like. They are so comfy. If you've had a pair of G&G joggers before, you will probably know that. They're really soft and like fleecy on the inside. And they have an elasticated waist. Like I said, I usually wear the small, so this is a size small. They do have a drawstring on the inside. You can always adjust the waist of them. And they have pockets as well on both sides. They're a standard unisex jogger fit, and they have elasticated, what's this called at the bottom? Like...
Cuff.
A cuff, yeah, at the bottom.
So they come in grey, navy, white and black. I've got the black ones on and mine are in large.
And they've also got the embroidery on them here, which I will show you guys a close-up of. Let's do the t-shirts next.
One thing that I wanted in this collection is oversized tees. I love my oversized tees, and Goose and Gander with previous collections have done oversized tees as well, and it's sort of a relatively new thing. These tees are so light and comfy. So they're organic tees as well. They are such good quality. They are so nice. They're so nice. So I'm wearing the natural colour. This one's ink grey. We have also got white and black.
With the oversized tees, these ones are a little bit more expensive than the standard G&G t-shirts, just because these ones are organic and they're also like a different, what's the word, like a different pattern, because the sleeves are more sort of like a drop shoulder rather than the standard shoulder. This one is in extra large. This one is one of James's.
Yeah, you can probably just see on me right now that it is
Nice and
nice, baggy, light.
This is the black one, and then this is my one, which is in the white. So this is the white one, which I wore in the shoot, and I absolutely love it. You know what? I think I could probably get away with wearing the small in the oversized tee, because I was wearing the medium, but this, because it is oversized, obviously it's kind of almost like it's one size up. I absolutely love the fit of these. If any of you have seen me wearing the Goose and Gander, their sort of like mushroomy sort of collection, I had the ink grey oversized tee in that one, and I wore that all the time. So when they said, did we want to put that t-shirt fit in this collection, we were like, yes.
Yes, please.
And they are organic, 100% cotton.
We've got like 3 tees overall,
Yeah.
which are the oversized. We've also got a DTG printed one, which is actually a front and back, which actually I'll show you right now.
It means directly to garment.
Yeah, this is a DTG one. These come in 3 colours, which is white, ash, and natural. If you see at the front, it just has Goose and Gander, just in a printed, but on the back, you actually have a massive logo.
You've got the big design on the back. The DTG ones are, you can't feel the print,
No.
if that makes sense. So it feels sort of flat and flush with the t-shirt, but these look so sick. So we've got the big design on the back.
We've also got it in white as well.
Ta-da!
Then the other one that we've actually got as well is a transfer.
So you can kind of feel it on there, and which is slightly different to the other ones.
And it has the big logo just on the front with this one. There's nothing on the back. And these come in a whole range of colours. The ones that we've got with us is the ash grey, and we've also got the black.
And they come in charcoal, forest green, white, black, ash, navy, military green, and natural. So they come in a whole range of colours.
Loads of colours.
So that's the t-shirts. So we've then got sweatshirts and hoodies. We've got 2 different styles of sweatshirts. First one is, again, DTG. So these ones come in these slightly lighter colours, and it feels like flat against it. So this one is in size medium.
And it's a much larger print on the front as well.
Yeah, this one's just got the print on the front of it. Exactly the same print as the other t-shirts, but just instead of it being on the back, it's on the front of the sweatshirt. So if you like a bigger print, then these sweatshirts are for you. And again, with these ones, they come in white, ash, and natural.
We have also got the embroidered one with a small logo, which Sophie is wearing so lovely right now.
This is one of my absolute favourite things from the collection, the embroidered sweatshirts, and they come in loads of different colours. Let me just get my list back up again.
Sand, forest green, black, military green, white, charcoal, navy, and ash grey.
We have a couple of them here because we took a few of them back from the shoot. So I'm wearing the sand. This one is the forest green, which
Looks so nice.
I absolutely love.
The military green as well, so so you can see both of them.
We were trying to decide which green to have.
I was sort of swinging more towards this one, and Sophie swinging more towards that one.
So
and then Maz was literally just like, why didn't you just have both? And we looked at each other and just went, yeah, sure, let's just have both.
I mean, all of this stuff kind of matches together, but the embroidered sweatshirt, for example, in the ash or the black or the navy,
Yeah.
or the white,
Or the white.
you can get the matching jogger set, which we wore in the shoot.
Oh
and
yeah, and it looks so good.
beautiful.
It looked like, we'll put a picture up here like right now, like right over my face. Like you can sort of see right here. We've also got black. On certain colours, the writing changes from either white to black as well.
Yes.
So on the lighter colours such as white, the writing will be black, and then on black, the writing is right, obviously, just so it pops out a little bit more.
Like this.
And yeah.
And then the hoodies. Oh, I love these hoodies so much.
So hoodies are transferred. Same again, like a whole range of colours. So they come in military green, white, black,
ash, black,
yeah.
navy, charcoal, forest green, and sand.
So yeah, you can wear this as like a matching set as well. Like everything just mixes and matches, and it all looks so good together. We've got the sand one, and we've also got the black one.
Oh,
Here.
just throwing my phone on the floor.
We've also got the black one there.
I cannot wait to wear this.
Final thing that we have, which will keep you so cozy when it comes into the winter, is that we have got fleeces. And these fleeces are just...
Oh, they're so comfy.
So comfy, like you have no idea. If you've actually got a fleece from Goose and Gander before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And they come in just in 4 colours, which is the forest green, comes in charcoal, comes in navy, and comes in black as well. Like, so we've got in the shoot I wore extra large, and Soph wore small.
I think I wore. Oh, they're so comfy.
But it's like really nice material. And then we have also got the black one here.
Obviously they're the quarter zip fleeces, so it zips a quarter of the way down. And they do have pockets. They have a drawstring at the bottom, so if you would like obviously you can just wear it completely open at the bottom, or if you want to kind of tuck the fleece up and under to maybe make it a bit shorter or make it look like it's tucked in, you can pull on the drawstring. It makes it sort of like bunched up. They're so nice.
They're so nice, and they're embroidered as well, and it's got the small logo just below the quarter zip.
I think that's everything.
That's everything.
Oh, and the fleeces are the most expensive thing in the collection at £45.
We just can't wait. We can't wait to see like you guys in pictures of it on like Instagram, tag us, Instagram, Twitter, tag G&G. Also, this collection is extended for a longer period of time. It's not just 1 month.
So if you see something in particular and it goes out of stock, then don't panic, because it will be coming back into stock. We're not 100% sure how long it's going to run for, but and obviously we'll keep you updated on when it's going to end.
And sort of,
for now we're not fully sure, so we understand, like, you know, if people are wanting to get something from the collection but maybe you need to sort of like wait until payday, or like save up some money, or ask for it for Christmas.
So yeah, if you want to get some bits for Christmas,
there's still time.
There's plenty of time.
And there will be a behind the scenes vlog which will be coming on my vlog channel soon.
Oh, and also if you're actually not following our socials, we'll be doing a styling reel as well. We're actually doing a dedicated stream over on Twitch for this collection, so that will be going on in sometime today.
Yeah.
So we will actually let you know what sort of time down below in the description. It is twitch.tv/JTMYNG.
Yep.
That was a massive plug. I'm so sorry.
And yeah, we'll be answering any of your questions about the collection, showing you different bits, and just having a fun time. So come and join. The behind the scenes vlog will be coming soon, and that will have loads of the footage from the shoot, because we got to do a really, really fun shoot in the Lake District, and it was so cool. We brought Pinky. It was a great time.
It was a great time.
Oh, and also as well, we have to take this moment to thank the whole team at Goose and Gander.
Oh, yeah.
Maz and Ollie, who own Goose and Gander.
We also Yaz, who designed it. We've also got Charlie and Jazz, who filmed.
Yeah, did the
like videography and editing, and also Colin, the photographer. They're like, thank you so much, guys. The day of shooting was so fun.
It was so good,
and it was really good just to getting to know you guys a lot more. Also, thanks to Guy as well, your manager Guy, for sort of
big shout out to Guy,
like sorting all of this and being our voice as well.
He's the best, and yeah, just the whole team that was involved in this. Thank you, guys.
Hello, and this one right here.
She was so good.
Oh, she was so good. Come on then. Up. Her and Ollie got on so well. They literally just, there was one part where we were by a lake, and Ollie actually went for a swim. She was off lead and actually just sprinted in, and she's never swam before. Sprinted in and did like a little swim, just trying to make sure that Ollie was okay and trying to actually get to Ollie and everything. So they got like a little special one there, and it was really nice. So thank you, Ollie, for looking after Pinky. If you can sort of see in the video as well, Pinky was the absolute star. Yeah, she started out, a little photography dog, aren't you?
Thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel and has engaged with my content and like followed my Instagram, and just in general been really nice, because stuff like this would never be possible without you guys. And I'm fully aware of that I am the luckiest person in the world to get to do stuff like this, and to get to do another collaboration where I can also have James involved and we can both do it together is just the best thing, because
yeah, honestly guys, thank you so much.
Everything will be linked down below. The end.
Yeah, let's go.
Goodbye.
Bye guys.